All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to still be talking about cryptocurrency being down. There's some unbelievable buys, 70% down right now. Luna, I'm going to go over to that. We're going to actually look at some cryptocurrencies that if you're just getting into crypto, this could be the best. I've had people say this is the best sale time ever. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only, but we're going to look at some coins that could be an unbelievable repositioning yourself time right this second. And then I'm going to go over to BUSD crop farmers that, remember, BUSD and USDC doesn't move. It's pegged to $1. So if you're looking for something to maybe put your little bit of your money into, it could end up working out for you. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to the market. All right, here we are at CoinMarketCap. And, Bitcoin is at 31,000. And again, it's green today. So we're going to go over some green things today, down 17% for the week. Ethereum bounced back 2.5% today. Fantastic. BNB has bounced back a little bit today, 3.5%. XRP has bounced back, which is fantastic. We got a little bit of green on here. Dogecoin, just 1%. Nothing worth, writing home to mom about. Avalanche, if you like this, Avalanche was $80 last month, everybody. $75 and $80. This could be a discount buy. Follow Avalanche and check it out. Here's the one this is the real reason we're doing this video. Terra Luna, down 70% in the last 7 days. Terra Luna could be the one you're looking for. It's the 14th best cryptocurrency. It's freaking down 50% today. So you never know where the bottom's going to be. You don't even know if this coin, this Terra Luna could go down to $10. We don't know. But if you're a follower of cryptocurrency, I've just never seen stuff like this. It's bloody everywhere. Bloody, bloody, bloody. Now here's the thing. Here's what Shiba. Now look, at Shiba bounced 19% down, but it's back up 6% today. Okay, so that's fantastic. But Terra Luna, 70% down for the week and 50% down for the day. You may want to check out Terra Luna. Looking at the charts here, in the last 7 days, this coin was at $87 less than 7 days ago, and now it's at $24. If you own Terra Luna at $87, you're not even happy right now. But again, for the repositioning, for people that are getting in, Terra Luna could end up being, even right here, guide me, please. It's a good time to buy Luna. So wanted to show you that real quick. Terra Luna could be the one that you're looking for. Remember, all my information, of course, is for educational purposes only. Matic has bounced back 6%. That's fantastic. Cronus has bounced back 9%. Fantastic. So we got some green here. 18% down for Litecoin. That's nothing like 70%. Again, going back up here, look at this. 70% down, 50% for the day. I actually had somebody I talked to on the phone today, and they're like, have you looked at Luna? Have you looked at Terra Luna? This could be a great time to get yourself repositioned. I'm just going to go over the top 100 here. Bitcoin Cash is down 17%. Cosmos has made it back 0.5% today, which is fantastic. We still got the red is everywhere. Red is everywhere. Decentraland is down 22%. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So what are we going to do in this type of thing? The stock market is down tremendously, and crypto is down tremendously. If you've been in crypto, if you've been in stocks for any amount of time, you know this is a pattern. I know it's going down, 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 but nobody knows, nobody can time the market when the down is going to be down the most to buy. So this is where you have to, if you're into crypto, what are your favorite coins? This is the sale of a lifetime that you've been looking for. With that, I'm going to switch over to BUSD crop farmers. My coins have never fluctuated at all. They're always still worth $1. It's pegged to $1. I'm going to be claiming a little bit later on tomorrow. I'll do this on film. And right here is the BUSD. Now take a look at this. I put $250 into this. I've compounded enough that it's 1,600. I've already claimed pretty much my deposit of 250. Take a look at this over here. I've compounded 10 times. One of my viewers actually corrected me the other day. This really is a 5 and 2 miner. You compound for 5 days, every 12 hours, so 5 times 2 is 10. I got the 10 compounds in. I can harvest the crop right now if I wanted to. I would get $50. And then guess what? A week from now, it'll still be worth $50 because it's BUSD. I don't have to worry about the coin dropping 70% in a week. This platform makes me $63 a day, but notice I have 28 more hours before my cart is full. This is where that 5 and 2. It's like I'm on the 6th day right now, and I'm letting my cart fill up with BUSD. That's still going to be worth the same price tomorrow and the same price next week. So it's a very safe project because it's with BUSD. The USDC is also a great project. But tomorrow, 28 hours from now, I'll be on film, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to claim. There's probably going to be about 100, I don't know if I make 63 a day, so maybe 111 or $110. And then I'm going to basically claim it. It's going to go to my sold crop. And like last time when I did this a week ago, I said, hey, I've already broken even on BUSD crop farmers. You cannot say that with any of the coins that you're buying right now because they're all on a discount. I mean, if you got any, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is down so much right now. But the nice thing about this is actually it's stable and stable coins. So wanted to kind of let you know that if you do decide to do this platform, you have to approve your BUSD, what you want to do, $1,000, $100, whatever it's going to be. When you hire $100 in BUSD will get you hired 1,800 farmers. If I did $1,000, let it update real quick. So I just wanted to show you this. If I hired 1,000 farmers, $1,000 would get 8. So a couple things on this. There's a compound bonus right here. Every time you hire and rehire your farmers, they're going to give a 4% bonus. And off the 4%, you can have a maximum of 40% when you actually do it to 10 times. Again, this is something they're just doing because they don't need to do it because they got the 80% tax. Also wanted to show you USDC crop farmers. Same thing. This coin is pegged to $1. I put $500 into this project. I got 197 back. If my 197's been sitting in my wallet, look at this, 219. I don't have to worry about a week from now it being down 70%. I don't have to worry it being down 50%. BUSD and USDC is pegged to $1. I'm on 8 compounds right here. In 4 hours and 45 minutes, I'll go ahead and hire more crop farmers. Once I get to 10, then I'm going to let that cart fill up again. This is a true 5 and 2 because you compound 10 times, which is every 12 hours. So 5 days you compound. The 6th day, you let your cart fill up completely. The 7th day, you let your cart fill up, and then you claim it once this cart reaches 0. Again, I got about 40% of my money back. It'll probably take me about 2 more weeks or 3 more weeks before me to be breaking even. And in this contract, there's $371,000 in the crop farmers. So both of those projects I absolutely fantastically love. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Again, we're going to go back over to the market real quick. There's some great, again, I'm not a financial planner. All this is educational purposes only. Do your own investments, do your own research. When you click the button and you buy or you sell, that's all on you. That's on none of us YouTubers. So let's go back over to the market. So again, look at the red. But the one that I'm focusing on today for the viewers, not the 19% down that bounced back 6%, go Shiba Inu, right here, Terra Luna. Down 70% in the last 7 days, down 50%, down 53%. It actually went down 2 more percent since I've been doing this video. So check that out, put it on your radar. It even says right here on CoinMarketCap, this is a great buying time by clicking the buy. Don't forget to click the like button. Click over here so you can learn about BUSD crop farmers. I'll link a video. Click over here and you can learn about USDC crop farmers. Both of these projects are pegged to $1. You don't have to calculate that it takes so long to break even. Oh, wait a minute, I forgot the coin's going to go down 30% or 40% or 70%. So whatever you calculate to break even, you have to calculate the coin's going to go down 30 or 40%. Wouldn't it be nice in those crypto days that are always up 30% or up 40%? No, we are in a bear market for almost a whole year. Down, 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 down. Everything's going down, 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 down. All right. Again, click right here for USDC crop farmers, then click right here for BUSD crop farmers. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner, trying to be positive with everything being bloody, bringing you something that could help you. And I'll link the links in the bottom. Have a great day.